Can you apply Toupret ready-to-use products with a roller? Yes, you can. Any short pile roller will do.
Step 1. Prepare the product. Carefully remove the lid and prepare the product for use. Give the product a thorough stir with a mixing paddle or by hand until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. Step 2. Load up the roller. Dip your roller into the filler, making sure to cover the entire surface. Don't worry about loading it with too much product. Once it's on the wall, it can be easily spread out. Step 3. Apply to the wall. Using vertical and horizontal strokes, cover the wall with filler. We recommend working in sections. Roll the product on, then smooth it off before moving on to the next section. Step 4. Smooth using a blade. Use a blade to level and flatten the filler. Don't worry about minor application marks. These can be removed by sanding once dry. Allow the filler to dry fully, then sand smooth. Repeat if necessary.